Ready to call Dundas home? This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath end unit beauty is in the west end of Hamilton's Valley community. Walking distance to more than 40 kilometers of local hiking trails in Dundas Conservation Area, a short drive to some of the most iconic waterfalls in Hamilton, and close to 2 elementary schools as well as the neighborhood high school, this community has a lot of great reasons to call it home. Having a unique corner lot floor plan means you'll get to enjoy all of the extra windows, and with the backyard patio, you'll have some outdoor space to call your own. Throw in the garage for extra storage, and you might just find yourself enjoying a bike ride downtown to make the most of the vibrant community. Heading inside, the front hall with large closet is centered around the first of 2 main floor living spaces. This bonus den space is unique in the complex and one of my favorite features of the home. On the other side, you'll find the dining room with a large window so you can enjoy your meals together. And with easy access to the kitchen, you'll be able to entertain guests with ease or spend time together. Just outside the kitchen is the stamped concrete patio with access to the common area green space. Heading into the second living room space on this level, there's a wonderful wood-burning fireplace for you to cozy up to when the cooler weather arrives. There is also a 2-piece bathroom, adding to the convenience of this home's floor plan. Taking this tour upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms. And again, because of the corner lot, the extra windows add to the vibrant natural light. The traditional main bathroom is designed to accommodate those busy mornings and evening wind downs. But the full ensuite in the primary bedroom creates that ideal space to kick back and relax. The primary bedroom also offers 2 closets and large window to round off your personal space. Heading down to the recently finished basement, the versatile rec room offers access to a bonus room, which makes a great office, storage space, as well as the laundry and utility room. If you're looking to call this incredible community home, Unit 36 at 7 Davidson Boulevard is a fantastic option. Now, if you're not sure why Dundas is such a unique community inside Hamilton, let's go explore. From the incredible nature created by the Valley landscape, to the artistic vibrancy of the community, or enjoying seasonal festivals, to the diverse history and architecture, there's a lot to love about calling Dundas home. Thank you so much for taking a tour with me. If you have any questions or would like to book a personal tour, please feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep it genuine.